How to find saved audios in Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about finding the saved audios on Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook application or your Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and the Facebook or Facebook Lite application is also updated to its latest version available. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and there you will see the option of saved, which is between Marketplace and Meta Verified in the right side of the screen. Tap on saved and on this page you will see the section of saved items and collections. You will also see the drop-down menu of types. Simply tap on it and there you will see the section of videos, links, photos, places, products, media, events, offers, and archived. Tap on media and here you will see all the saved links, videos, music, places, and more. Or the next method is, or tap on create a story, select a photo or video that you'd like to share, and then tap on the music icon. And there you will see the saved icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here you will see all the list of music that you have saved on Facebook. So I've not saved anything yet, so it's not showing in this list. But if you've saved any music, you can go ahead and tap on it and use it in your Facebook story. And in order to save any audio or music, tap on three dots over here and then tap on Save Audio. Now if you go to the list, you will see the saved audio. And that's all. So this is how you can see your saved music in your Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.